Hello, my name is Erika.
And I'm Martin.
Welcome to today's tutorial. Today we were going to look at separable phrasal verbs. That's when you have a verb and a preposition, and you allow the object to be placed in the middle. So let's take a look how it works.
Turn on.
Could you turn the TV on, please?
Sure. Plug in.
I need an outlet to plug my laptop in.
Put away.
Could you put your shoes away? They are stinky.
Throw away.
Let's throw your stinky shoes away.
Turn up.
I love this song. Turn it up.
Turn down.
I don't like this song. Turn it down. So there you have it, separable phrasal verbs. Please give us a call here at Harmon Hall, Puebla Juárez, 242-4158.